Hello and welcome to the course on microwave and antennas. In this lecture, we will learn about microwave devices. A microwave device is a thing which performs some predetermined operation at microwave frequencies. Let us see what these operations are. So it could be signal generation, amplification, filtering, and mixing. Let us start with signal generation. Always we need some kind of a device to generate a signal. Example, we have studied about klystron oscillator in previous classes. That is an example of signal generator. Next, to send the signal over long distances, the signal should be amplified and the power should be increased. This operation is called as amplification. What is filtering? We do not want to either transmit or receive unwanted frequencies. So how do we eliminate unwanted frequencies? Using a filter. Shown here is a band pass filter. This is the input signal and this is the output signal. These are the unwanted frequencies which the filter will eliminate at the output. Next, say you have to mix two signals at two different frequencies to create a new frequency. This is called as mixing. In this example, there are two input signals to a mixer, which are called as the message signal and the carrier signal. And these two signals are multiplied and we get the two signals at the output. Remember, multiplication is a non-linear process and thus output has many frequencies which are combination of FM and FC. Now say at high level, how do we group the microwave devices? So how to do that? We can group them as active devices and passive devices. What is an active device? Some devices require you to provide a DC power supply. These are called as active devices. Examples are amplifiers and signal generators. These require an external power supply to be provided. If you remember, for the klystron oscillator that we studied, it required power supplies like reflector voltage, acceleration grid voltage, and so on. Some devices do not require external power supply. These are called as passive devices. Examples are filters, like the bandpass filter which we saw in the previous slide. What about mixers? Mixers can be either active or passive depending upon the application.